Hey guys, today I want to talk about my Taurus 357. I've had this for about 2 years. This is the blued 6-inch model, 7-shot. And it's had some problems, but ever since I got it back from the shop, it's been great. And I haven't had any more problems with it since then. They polished the cylinder, they polished the ejector rod, and they put a new trigger system on it, and I had to send it back to Taurus. So, I don't know if I ever talked about this one or not. I like it because it's relaxing, and I just like revolvers. I grew up on them. Never lose your brass. I've only had a couple misfires, and it wasn't because of the gun, it's because of the primer. I was using a CCI primer instead of Winchester, and a couple of them didn't go off until the second strike. So other than that, I haven't had no problems with the gun whatsoever, except for a few minor issues. Real light. Don't even flatten out a primer or anything. And that is my 357. I really enjoy it. I wish it wasn't $600. Could be cheaper, but with all the work that went into it, it was a good investment. It took me about 6 months to pay it off on layaway, but it was finally mine. So I hope you guys like this. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next Slayer's channel. Keep it brutal, and thank you for watching.